Hi everyone, Don Singletary. Today we're going to be talking about the newly retired or people about to retire, or anyone really who wants to boost the yield in their NASDAQ account with primarily two strategies. One is going to be the covered call, which I'll talk about near the end of the video. But right now, let's talk asset allotment. You have your stocks, bonds, precious metals, real estate, perhaps a home and other things all included in your net worth. Today, I want to talk about taking a portion of that, a small segment. This example has like 5%, but anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 would be a good way to start with learning to invest in the new contracts called the Micro Eminis. There's a lot of excitement about these new Micro Emini contracts, and there's a good reason. The reason is that home investors, people other than the hedge funds and the tremendously wealthy people who have used stock indices for years to be able to accumulate fortunes, now with these new 1/10 size micro futures contracts of popular indexes like the S&P500 and the NASDAQ100, even the Dow Jones Industrial Average. In the first 6 months, right after they were introduced in May of 2019, they traded 72 million contracts and broke all kinds of records. This really is a big deal. It's difficult these days to look forward to a retirement if you're going to be crunched for some funds to be able to do all the things you hoped you'd be able to enjoy. And even if you do have a great retirement, it's always nice to have a little bit more and something interesting to do. And I want to tell you what we're doing here on the Day Trading Micro Futures channel on YouTube. I created this channel just a few months after May 19, when these new micro futures came out, because I recognize what an opportunity they are. I've been a futures consultant for 25 years and have extensive knowledge about it. But the people that come to me wanting to learn to trade futures often find they can't afford it. Well, these new contracts are 1/10 the margin, an 85-cent commission, and you only have to put up $700 or $800 to be able to trade a contract. And this whole channel here, the Day Trading Micro Futures channel, has scores of videos about how you can learn to do that. In fact, there's one of the playlists that has 4 videos that teach you all the basics you need to know. So there's no need for me to go into them at this particular moment. Now, if you'll indulge me for a moment, I want to read just one sentence from an email I received from one of my option book readers this morning. It said, "Dear Don, I'm just getting started with options trading. I'm retired and looking for a way to create some ongoing income to enjoy retirement while traveling full-time with my husband and our 38-foot Class A motorhome. I can't wait to email this lady tonight and to tell her to watch this video, I hope, so she can learn to be able to make some extra income." You know, we're really a privileged generation because we have the internet, we have cell phones, we have connectivity everywhere we go, and now technology brings us this electronic trading online with these new micro futures contracts. No other generations have had the chance that we do now to be able to do something like this, to be able to find futures trading affordable to learn, and then once you get the hang of it, you can scale up as much as you like. If you'd like to know more about how to day trade these Micro Emini futures for some extra income, you can have access to the playlist you see on your screen now. Just look for the link down below that says playlist. Beside that is the link to the playlist for these 4 videos. They're about 10 minutes each, a total of about 40 minutes of instruction to give you all the basics you need to trade these Micro Eminis. Also below there is another link called Covered Calls that will take you to some videos on the covered call strategy. 2 great strategies if you're retired or about to retire that you should definitely know more about. I'm Don Singletary. I hope every day is a payday for you, and thank you.